Hello, I'm Michael Brewer, and today I'm teaching a review lesson on proportions. So let's start out with a quick definition of proportions. Proportions are two or more equal ratios all right, mathematically represented by the formula A is to B is equal to C is to D. And we often write it as A over B is equal to C over D. And this is one useful mathematical tool. One of the things that we use this for is the cross products, where we can set the formula A times D is equal to B times C. And this allows us to solve for unknowns, which is the focus of today's lesson. If I have 3 out of the 4 variables, I can solve for the 4th. Let's take a look at an example. Let's take the proportion 12/20 is equal to C over 15. I have 1, 2, 3 of the variables. I have A, which is equal to 12, B, which is equal to 20, and D, which is equal to 15. And so now I can solve for C by setting up my equations. A times D equals B times C, where A was 12, D was 15, and it's equal to B is 20, C. So we solve this side first. 12 times 15 is 180. 180 is equal to 20C. I can isolate C by dividing both sides by 20. That's going to cancel out. C equals 180 divided by 20. C equals 9. You will also consider simplifying. Take that same proportion. 12/20 is equal to C over 15. This fraction here can be simplified to 3/5 is equal to C over 15. The simplification process is dividing by the greatest common factor. Greatest common factor of 12 and 20 is 4. So I would divide top and bottom by 4. And that's how I would get my 3/5. But then once I have this proportion, the calculations are just a little bit simpler. 3 times 15 is 45. Then I would set that equal to 5C. The other cross product, divide by 5, divide by 5, and we would get C again equal to 9. All right, so same answer, a little bit simpler calculations. Either way will work. Now, let's get to the worksheet and some word problem examples, please.